AutoDS versus Dsers, which is better for dropshipping? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video we'll take a look at these platforms. We'll compare them according to their features, key features, and also pricing. So at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform is the most suitable as for you to interact with the world of dropshipping. And also I'll show you the way of how to get best conditions to join these platforms. So there are the most popular dropshipping platforms on the market. Both platforms offer a range of features to help us to start and grow our business on dropshipping. However, there are also some key differences between these platforms, so we need to find them. And they have like common features such as product sourcing, so we can like basically offer a wide range of products from AliExpress and other suppliers. However, AutoDS has a wider selection of products to choose from, so it's definitely like better to use Dsers, like not to use Dsers, to use AutoDS instead of the Dsers. Like order fulfillment, both AutoDS and Dsers automate the order fulfillment process. However, AutoDS offers more advanced order fulfillment features such as the ability to create custom shipping roles and track orders in real time, which is really important. Also, we can say that inventory management is quite good on both platforms, so they help us to track stock levels. But on AutoDS offers more robust inventory management features such as the ability to set minimum and maximum stock levels and receive alerts when stock is low. They also provide us the customer support, but on AutoDS it's like 24/7, and on Dsers it's only like during business hours. If we're going to speak about prices, we can see different like prices for the place where we'd like to create an online store. On Dsers, it's like we have two plans, Standard and Pro, like $50 per month, $80 per month. On the AutoDS, according to what platform will be used, like eBay, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, Etsy, or WooCommerce, prices may be a little bit different. They start from $20 per month, and I recommend you to find the feature you'd like to use, basically. So there are like unique features for every platform. So on AutoDS, we have like AutoDS Pixel, and this feature allows us to track customers' browsing and buying behavior. So this data can be used to create targeted campaigns with marketing stuff. And also we have like Chrome extension, which is like which allows us to import products from AliExpress and other suppliers with just a few clicks. And on Dsers, we have like product research tool. This tool helps us to find winning products to sell by analyzing data from AliExpress and other sources. And also we have like fulfillment inspector. This tool helps us to find reliable suppliers and track our orders in real time. So which platform is good and right for you? AutoDS is more powerful and feature-rich platform than Dsers. However, it's also more expensive. Dsers is a good option to beginners who are looking for a more affordable and user-friendly platform. Here's a summary of which platform is best for different types of users. So AutoDS, best for experienced dropshippers who need advanced features and functionality, and Dsers is like pretty good for beginners who are looking for an affordable and user-friendly platform. So if you want to get both platforms with the best conditions, on AutoDS you get 1 month for free. You can find the link in the description, and the same thing for the Dsers. Best price, best conditions. So go to the description, use the link, register, and then just simply use the necessary plan. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.